In today's video, I'll show you all the audio and mic settings on GoPro Mission 1. First of all, let's see the settings that are applied to the current recording mode. When you click on the name of the current capture mode on the bottom of the screen, you can scroll down almost all the way to find audio. You can find audio tuning, which will enhance vocal clarity, or you can turn it down to make it as true to life as possible. And you can find wind reduction, which you can set to auto. You can set to on, so it will record mono audio, but it will filter out excessive wind noise. Or you can set it to off, so it will disable wind noise reduction, so audio will always be recorded in stereo, but it may have some wind noise. Now the next things are going to be in the settings. Now when you slide down from the top of your screen, you can go to the rightmost page and you'll find track 2 and track 1, because you can have 2 tracks of audio, and you need to have different devices connected, of course, different microphones connected, and then you can set which track will be assigned to which device. Let's say the camera mics will record the main track and the track 2 will be on an external microphone, or the other way around, or 2 different external microphones can be connected to both tracks. And when I click on the camera mics, I can actually change the gain to the GoPro sound profile optimized for all-purpose audio recording. AGC, which is automatic gain control, which actively adjusts sound to a target level while maintaining stuff. And then manual, which you can just manually adjust the gain. Now limiting is going to you can turn it on to prevent clipping of high audio levels, and you can find audio meter to see the on-screen audio meter on your screen. And you can enable always use this device to record the main track, so it doesn't automatically change in case you connect an external device. Now you can see this is what the meter is going to look like. And now when I go to the preferences here, I can actually find even more settings in audio and voice control. I can find playback device. I have only the camera built-in speaker. I don't have a Bluetooth device connected, but if I had it, it would be displayed here. Then I can change the playback volume, the camera sounds device for beeps and audio feedback. I can find camera sounds volume, which can also be adjusted, which is the beeps of the camera. They can be lowered. You can find raw audio, which means that if you set it to either of these options, that it will generate a standalone .wav file with or without compression, so that you can later edit the audio itself as a separate file, which is also pretty useful for more professional setups. Then you can find voice control, and there's language commands, and you can just use the voice control in order to say something to the camera. Let's see if it's enabled. It will be on the main page of the top menu. Voice control is enabled, and now when I say GoPro capture, it will start capturing in the currently selected mode. Well, it stopped because probably it recognized start capturing as stop capturing. I don't know, but yeah, this is how it works. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.